Can you sing? Oh, no.
No. Never let go. No.
No, not that one. How about...
Oops. Make a ball again. Put something in your hair.
I'm going to do it right this second. Hold on one sec.
Put something in your hair.
Nobody, hold on. What song? What other song is in Bible study?
Look.
Which?
Where's that song?
What song?
Look.
Screenerinky dink.
No. Look, Mom. Look. Look at my
What is that?
It's a. What do they call it in a schooly thing? Like, it's a. Something else. Octopus, yes. Look at my octopus.
Cool.
Where's my octopus, Mom?
It's beautiful.
Ow! Ooh, ow. Hold that head. Hey, let's squish me.
Do you want to show me your Play-Doh? What do you have?
That.
What is that?
A fishy.
Okay. And what else do you have?
A tuba.
What is that?
A tuba.
A snowball?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what else?
Take it back to your mind.
I will. What else?
Doing that. No puppy.
What else do you have, Kemi?
No, nothing.
Okay. Say bye.
No, I say. That.
What do you need?
Stop.
What? The phone?
Yeah.
Why?
Fort down. For it's
When do you get ABC songs?
No. For nanny time.
Night time. You get ABC songs at night time?
Oh, a tour. Oh. A fishy one. A fishy. You made my fishy. Break down.
Did you break the fishy?
Yes.
Why did you break the fishy?
And not a fishy.
It's not a what?
Not fishy. And one more fishy. That makes fishy for me.
Is that your Clifford face? That'll be special for you?
Nope.
What are you thinking about, McKinley?
You're Passy. Say Passy. Passy.
No passy. Are we going to throw your passies away?
And the kitchen.
In the kitchen? In the kitchen trash?
Nope. And the playroom.
In the playroom? Would you be sad if you had no more passies?
Who's that?
Who's what?
Who's that? Why?
Why?
For that. For you.